Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you two super easy DIYs. They're Halloween DIYs. We don't really do much decorating for Halloween, but I made this, the light on the side that you see there and those two cute pillows. By the way, if you missed out on that bench, I'll put the link down below so you can check that out. I also made that using mostly Dollar Tree items. But here are the pillows, how they look on my sofa. But yeah, so if you want to see how I made these two adorable DIYs, just keep on watching. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, with the light, by the way, the decoration that's around the vase, you can actually see it on the wall. It's actually pretty cool and my kids love it. And now I'm going to show you how I made them in 3, 2, 1. First project, I'm going to take this vase from Dollar Tree and the little treat bags that they also have at Dollar Tree. They come 20 in a pack, so you can definitely do tons of these for the front porch or like stairs if you'd like. And remember, you can do this with any occasion or holidays. You can do it for Christmas time and decorate the stairs or the front porch. That's what I'm going to do, honestly. And now I'm just going to cut the bottom of the bag so that way we can wrap our vase with this. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified once I upload a video. Now to hold this in place, I'm going to apply some Mod Podge where this wrapping part starts, and then I'm going to apply Mod Podge onto the vase as I wrap it. So I'm wrapping it and then I'm going to cut the extra part and then apply more Mod Podge on the outside where it ends. And then I will be cutting that top part off as well. To make the ends look better, I'm going to go in with a lighter and I'm just going to basically just swipe it across the rim of the vase just to shrink it down a little bit and have it all even. So at first I glued down this solar light from Dollar Tree and I noticed it wasn't strong enough, if that makes sense. Do you see here how it looks like in the dark? So when I switched it out to the push battery operated light, look how brighter it is. And you can actually see the reflection from the goodie bags on the wall there. So I prefer to have it that way better. But you can definitely go ahead and use solar light instead. For the second DIY, I'm going to take these two tote bags, and I did pick these up from 99-cent store, but you can definitely find tote bags at Dollar Tree, and it's perfect, this project, because you can definitely do this with any season, any holiday. So I'm going to take a tote bag and some cotton, and I'm just going to basically stuff it. This project was so easy and my kids love these little pillows. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff it with cotton, and I'm just going to use hot glue to close it. You can definitely sew it up, but I just used hot glue and it's just as good. You can totally tell how excited my daughter is. She's helping me out there. So this is definitely a project that you can do with a little one. And here I'm just finishing up my last pillow, and here's the final product. And remember, you can make these pillows with any totes that you have on hand or any season or holiday. And remember, I'll put that link for that bench down in the description. And here's how the pillows look on my sofa. And for the solar light, you guys, I definitely prefer the battery operated one because you can actually see the reflection on the wall, and my kids love that. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think. I'd love to hear from you, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!